Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. Have you ever thought about making a stuffed zucchini on your stovetop? Yes, it can be done. Check out my other videos or go to my website for different recipes on cooking zucchini on a stovetop. To make this stuffed zucchinis, we will need 2 medium zucchinis cut in 4 halves. Use a small spoon to scoop out the flesh with seeds inside the zucchini, but leave a thin layer of zucchini inside so the zucchini will be sturdy enough to hold the stuffing. Mix balsamic vinegar with olive oil and brush the balsamic vinegar oil mixture onto the zucchini, inside and outside. Save the leftover balsamic vinegar oil mix. You will use it later. Chop the flesh of zucchini into small pieces, but not too small since it will shrink quite a bit during cooking. Toast some panko breadcrumbs until light brown to add crunchy texture to the stuffed zucchini. But you know what? You can also crush your favorite croutons and use it as the topping if you prefer. Time to make stuffing now. Add olive oil, garlic in a non-stick frying pan. Sauté with the frozen edamame, frozen roasted corn, chopped zucchini, seasoning powders like Mrs. Dash, and black pepper to taste. I only saute vegetables for 30 seconds. You should cook them to your liking. When the vegetable stuffing is done cooking, take it out of the pan and carefully use a paper towel to wipe the pan clean. This way you only need to use one pan to make this dish, and it is already heated for you. Brush the leftover balsamic vinegar oil mix on the pan. Place those zucchini halves cut side down in the pan and pan fry them for about 3 minutes. Then flip the zucchini over for another 2.5 to 3 minutes. Use a fork to test when the zucchini are cooked to your liking. Now, divide the vegetable stuffing evenly into the 4 cooked zucchini halves. Then top with the toasted panko breadcrumbs. Here is your vegan stuffed zucchini, a light side dish to go with your entrees. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. See you next time.